All right, first of all, what is ASL? I bet you guys know some of this. You know I'm going to say it's a language, right? It's a real language. It's not just a bunch of made-up signs. It's a language of the deaf, and it's a full language. And ASL stands for American Sign Language. And it's not the same as English. People who use sign language, ASL, do not use English words in English word order. Did you know that? A lot of people don't realize that, so you're way ahead of them. All right. And it's used by so many children and adults through America and other parts of the country. All over the world, they sign it. Although American Sign Language is not used everywhere, each country has its own signed language. But people who know ASL sign it no matter where they live. And here's a cute little cartoon that I found, and it shows how ASL and English are different. All right, it's the cartoon's called That Deaf Guy. All right, the one guy says, "It's cool you can sign. Is sign language the same as English?" And he says, "Not really. Let me show you the difference." And he spells out with his Play-Doh the word dragon. And then he says, "This is sign language." And he shows a 3D figure made of Play-Doh of a dragon. So that is really a good example, all right, in the comparison of the two languages. English is word-based. ASL is picture-based. So basically, like I can say the word dragon, or I can sign a dragon, and it's 3D. So that's a very appropriate cartoon, and I hope you like seeing it. I thought it was really cute.